Good morning students, welcome to Nidhi's Maths Room. Today I am going to continue the chapter derivatives. In the previous class I discussed about the rules on derivatives, that is the algebraic operations on derivative, that is sum rule, difference rule, product rule and the quotient rule. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಡಿರೈವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ derivatives. So see here, these problems are very basic problems. I think you are all already discussed these types of problems in first year PUC. So but I just recall these problems. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ PUC ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಐ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ second year PUC NCERT syllabus problems. Okay, so okay, fine. The first problem, so see here, find the derivative of the following functions. The first problem is 3x to the power of 4 minus 4x cube plus 10. ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ y. Let us take that as y. Let y is equal to 3x to the power of 4 minus 4x cube plus 10. First take that function as y, denote that function as y and then differentiate with respect to x, because here y is a function of x, y is a function of x. That's why we have to differentiate this y with respect to x. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? So if we differentiate y with respect to x, in the previous class I already told you, so y is a dependent variable, x is an independent variable. If we differentiate y with respect to x, then that is denoted as dy by dx. Is it? So dy by dx is equal to 3x to the power of 4. So observe here, 3x to the power of 4, the x to the power of 4 differentiation of x to the power of 4 is 4 into x cube. It is in the form of x to the power of n, x to the power of n format allide, so that can be written as n into x to the power of n minus 1. That means 4 into x to the power of 4 minus 1. Is it? So hence x to the power of 4 differentiation is 4x cube. Here 3 into x to the power of 4 ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ just multiply these two terms. ಪವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ x ಪವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ x ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ x 1 ಇತ್ತು, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 4 into 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಬಂತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ x 3 ಇದೆ, so multiply these two terms, that gives 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Next ಒಂದು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಿ, x to the power of 4 ಇದೆ, so that can be written as x to the power of 3. Is it clear? 4 into 3 is 12 into x to the power of 3 minus, again same concept, 4 3s are 12, x to the power of 2. Here 10 is a constant, the differentiation of any constant is 0, so ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. 10 ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರದ್ದು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯಲ್ಲ. Is it clear? This is the answer for the first problem. Next one, x to the power of 6 plus 3x square minus 4x to the power of 5. So second one, again same concept, let y is equal to x to the power of 6 plus 3x square minus 4x cube, 4x to the power of 5. So I differentiate with respect to x, that gives dy by dx is equal to x to the power of 6, differentiation is 6 into x to the power of 5. I use the formula x to the power of n. So next plus again 2 3s are 6 into x to the power of 1. So minus 4 into 5 20 into x to the power of 4. Is it clear? ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Hence the result. Next I move on to third one. ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು? Next third problem is root x plus x to the power of 3 by 2. Again same concept, let us take that as y. Let y is equal to root x plus x to the power of 3 by 2. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x, that gives dy by dx is equal to, what is the differentiation of root x? Root x the differentiation ಏನ 1 divided by 2 root x. Is it? ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So root x differentiation of root x is 1 divided by 2 root x. I directly write that as 1 divided by 2 root x. But what about this x to the power of 3 by 2? It is in the form of x power n. It is in the form of x power n. X power n differentiation is n into x to the power of n minus 1. Is it? X power n differentiation is n into x to the power of n minus 1. So this can be written as 3 by 2 into x to the power of 3 by 2 minus 1. Observe here, n into x to the power of n minus 1. So like that I write x to the power of 3 by 2 as 3 by 2 into x to the power of 3 by 2 minus 1. Simplify this. Take LCM. X to the power of, here 2 is the LCM, 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So answer is 1 divided by 2 root x plus 3 by 2 into x to the power of 1 by 2. ಅದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ x to the power of 1 by 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Is it clear? Okay students, I move on to the next problem, that is y is equal to 1 divided by x to the power of 5 plus 3 divided by x power 6. It is in the form of 1 divided by x power n. So I already told about the formula of 1 divided by x power n. If we differentiate 1 divided by x power n, that gives minus n divided by x to the power of n plus 1. ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So you must know about the formulas. Is it clear? So it is in the form of 1 divided by x power n. So 1 divided by x power n differentiation is minus n divided by x to the power of n plus 1. So that's why I differentiate this function. So differentiation of y is dy by dx, and 1 divided by x power 5 differentiation is minus 5 divided by x to the power of 5 plus 1. X power 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 3 into minus 6 divided by x to the power of 7. Observe here. So I write 3 as it is. So I write the 3 as it is. I differentiate 1 divided by x power 6. The differentiation of 1 divided by x power 6 is minus 6 divided by x power 7 minus n divided by x power n plus 1. It is in the form of like that. So I write 1 divided by x power n as minus n divided by x power n plus 1. That's why 1 divided by x power 6 differentiation is minus 6 divided by x power 7. Is it clear? And then simplify this. That gives minus 5 divided by x to the power of 6. Plus into minus is minus 3 into 6. 18 divided by x to the power of 7. This is the answer. So this is dy by dx. Is it clear? Let y is equal to cube root of x plus root x. See here, y is equal to this cube root of x is x to the power of 1 by 3 plus root x. So differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. That gives dy by dx is equal to, it is in the form of x power n. So x power n differentiation is n into x to the power of n minus 1 plus root x differentiation is 1 divided by 2 root x. Is it clear? So x to the power of 1 by 3 differentiation is 1 by 3 into x to the power of 1 by 3 minus 1. So take LCM. 1 by 3 into x to the power of 3 is the LCM. 1 minus 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root x. The answer is x to the power of minus 2 by 3. 1 by 3 into x to the power of minus 2 by 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root x. Next, take these two problems as homework. Observe here, the 6th one and 7th one problems are homework. X to the power of 2 by 3 plus x to the power of 3 by 2. As it is what I discussed in the previous problem, same type problems, the sixth one and seventh one problems are same type problem. So you have to differentiate x to the power of 2 by 3 and x to the power of 3 by 2 as it is same x power 7 by 2. Is it clear? In this one, first differentiate x to the power of 7 by 2. It is in the form of x power n, and then differentiate e power x. You all know about the differentiation of e power x, that is e power x itself. So 6th one ಮತ್ತು 7th one problem ನ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅವೆರಡನ್ನು as it is in the previous problems ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅದೇ ತರ. Next I move on to the next one, that is 8th one, that is let y is equal to log x plus 2 power x. Differentiate with respect to x. If we differentiate y with respect to x, that gives dy by dx. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus it is in the form of a power x. A power x differentiation, a power x into log x. So 2 power x into log 2 to the base e. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ e ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? So 2 power x, it is in the form of a power x. A power x differentiation is a power x into log x. So that is the answer. Next one, 9th one, that is let y is equal to e power x plus sin x. Differentiate with respect to x. That gives differentiation of y is dy by dx. Observe here, e power x differentiation is e power x plus sin x differentiation is cos x. Hence the result. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಇನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾನೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 10th one, let y is equal to sin x plus cos x. Differentiate with respect to x. The differentiation of y is dy by dx. What is the differentiation of sin x? The differentiation of sin x is cos x plus cos x ಗೆ differentiation of minus sin x. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ರೈಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ, cos x ಗೆ differentiation minus sin x, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ cos x plus into minus is minus sin x. Is it clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 11th and 12th problems, that is 11th one, let y is equal to tan x minus cot x. Differentiate with respect to x. So differentiation of y is dy by dx. What is the differentiation of tan x? That is secant square x minus differentiation of cot x is minus cosecant square x. So write this minus cosecant square x within the bracket. So plus ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರಲಿ, ನೀವು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ಅದೇ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ನೀವೇನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ secant square x minus into minus is plus cosecant square x is the answer. This is dy by dx. Is it clear? Next, the 12th problem is, take this problem as homework. 12th problem, cosecant x के differentiation minus cosecant x into cot x. Secant x differentiation is secant x into tan x. So take this problem as homework. Next I move on to 13th one. The 13th one problem is let y is equal to 3 power x plus 4 power x. Differentiate with respect to x. That gives dy by dx is equal to, so you all know about it in the form of a power x. So a power x differentiation is a power x into log n. So 3 power x differentiation is 3 power x into log 3 plus 4 power x into log 4 is the answer. Is it clear? Okay. The 14th one, ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 12th one problem ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ, 11th one ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 13th ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಏನಾರ ಡೌಟ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ explain how to solve the problem. Is it clear? Next problem is y is equal to x divided by x to the power of 2 by 3. See here, ಇದನ್ನು x divided by x to the power of 2 by 3 ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. See, x ಬೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಪವರ್ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟು take this x to the power of 2 by 3 to the numerator, that gives x to the power of minus 2 by 3. If we take x to the power of 2 by 3 to numerator, that gives x to the power of minus 2 by 3. Here the base are same, so add the powers, that gives x to the power of 1 minus 2 by 3. So simplify this, x to the power of, take LCM, 3 is the LCM, 3 minus 2. So y is equal to x to the power of 3 minus 2 is 1 by 3. Then differentiate this with respect to x. ನೋಡಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ವೋಷಂಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಕ್ವೋಷಂಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಗಿಂತ ಇದು ಈಸಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಸೊ ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಬೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ dy by dx is equal to 1 by 3 into x to the power of 1 by 3 minus 1. So that is 1 by 3 into x to the power of, take LCM, that is 3, 1 minus 3. That gives 1 by 3 into x to the power of minus 2 by 3 is the answer. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು? ಸೊ is the answer. Next one, 15th one, that is let y is equal to log x base 6 plus log x base e. So differentiate with respect to x, that is dy by dx is equal to, what is the differentiation of log x to the base a? So I already told you. So what is the differentiation of log x to the base a? That is 1 divided by x into log a. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 divided by x into log 6 ಅಂತ. ಬೇಸ್ a ಇದ್ದಾಗ 1 divided by x into log a ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 1 divided by x into log 6 ಅಂತ. ಬೇಸ್ a ಬದಲು 6 ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 6 ಬರೀತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. ಇದು log x to the base e. ಸೊ log x to the base e ಇದ್ರೆ 1 by x ಅಂತ. Is it clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದು? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳೇನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಒನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್.